Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of DXY US dollar currency index in front of us. And as we can see that right now DXY is standing at 111.26. Yesterday, after forming this huge candle, massive candle, DXY showed some correction again. But one thing that we need to focus here is that last week we saw heavy correction on DXY, but if we just focus on the present trend of DXY, then the most important thing that we'll notice here is that DXY is not very bullish right now, but market is constantly forming higher highs in the market, and usually higher highs signify bullishness in the market, the presence of buyers in the market. So as a result, there is still a good amount of possibility that DXY will be going higher, or DXY will try to resume the previous uptrend. But right now, as you can see that there's not much crazy buying going on in the market, so DXY needs to cross 112 level so that it can continue with the uptrend again. So 112 will be an important level for DXY. If DXY crosses 112, then we will get the confirmation that the old buyers are back again. The new buyers are also have also joined the market. So yes, there will be bullishness on DXY or US dollar again. And if that happens, then we will see good amount of correction on the chart of gold again. But today we have FOMC coming up. So FOMC is a big event, and as we all know that Fed is about to increase the interest rate by 75 bps basis points. So yes, there is a possibility that we will see good amount of we'll see good amount of upside on the chart of DXY. But news trading is very complicated, as we all know. So if market is already factored in the news, then yes, there will be a sharp reversal as well. So beginners, new traders, during the event, try to avoid the market. If you have experience in the market, then you can go for it. But if your capital is low, you're new to the market, try to avoid. Just watch the market, gather some knowledge, gather some experience, but try to avoid the market, because news trading can be very dangerous. And in case DXY starts falling, shows good amount of price rejection, then the first support will be 110.60, and then we have support around 110.35. These two are the support levels for the day. In case there is not a crazy fall in the market, then these two supports should work for DXY. Okay, so now let's head towards GBP USD. No, gold. Now let's look at the chart of gold. So these are the important levels, and if you have watched my previous videos, then you know it very well that the levels have not changed at all. And yes, our prediction on gold worked perfectly yesterday. We saw a good amount of correction yesterday as well from the levels we discussed previously. So the strong resistance levels like 1722 to 28, 170205, 1680 are still very much present in the market, but they are quite far away. The important levels for the day are 1673 to 75 and 1656 to 1661. This level will also be a very important level for the day. Let me explain why. First of all, as we all know that yesterday market reversed from the level we expected, that is 1656, around 1656 level. So today, before FOMC, listen to me carefully, before FOMC, if market goes up, then there's a high chance that market will reverse again, because whenever there is a big news coming up, okay, usually we do not see crazy volatility in the market usually remains slow. So as a result, there is a high chance that before FOMC, okay, market will reverse. Okay, But in case you see heavy volatility in the market before FOMC, then obviously this level will not work. See, yesterday that level worked. That doesn't mean that it will work again today. Today, I think that before FOMC, okay, before FOMC, if 1656 fails, okay, then 1661 to 1662 should work. So in case market goes up, then I think that today we will see market reversing from this level. But keep in mind before news only, because one thing you must understand very well, that whenever there is a news in the market, whenever we see a news driven market, technicals do not work. Okay, if you think that, okay, let's take a sell position, okay, let's take a sell position because we have a resistance during the news, then obviously there's a high chance of losing money. So don't do that. See, whenever there is a battle between fundamentals and technicals, fundamentals always win, technicals always lose the market. See, fundamentals give direction, technicals are used mainly for entry and exit. Okay, so before FOMC, if market is slow, okay, if you see market reversing from 1656, you can take a sell position. But in case it breaks it, then the high chance of market reversing from 1661 level. And obviously yesterday also I told that this is a whole resistance zone for us. Okay, no buying in this level. Try to avoid buying in this level because this is a resistance zone for us. Okay, and during FOMC, okay, during FOMC, in case you see heavy buying in the market, let's say there is a sharp fall on DXY, okay, and if you see market going up, in that case the next resistance on gold will be around 1673 to 75, because see right now this resistance is quite near. Okay, so high possibility of market breaking the resistance and going up. Okay, so taking a sell position at the resistance during the news can be a suicide. Don't make the mistake. Okay, never forget, not taking a position is also a position in the market. So during FOMC, 1673.75 has a high chance of acting as resistance. If market goes up and reverses after 45 minutes, 1 hour, you can take a sell position. But keep in mind, follow proper risk management, strict risk management, because news trading is dangerous. Okay, and as we all know, no trader is 100% accurate, so my analysis can be wrong as well, isn't it? So protect your hard-earned money, do not gamble with it. And in case market comes down, before FOMC, yes, again I'm saying, if market comes down before FOMC, 1642 can be a good buy level for day trading purpose. For day trading purpose, 1642 can be a buy level before FOMC only. So if you see the market has come down and market is bouncing from 1642 level, 1642.41 level, you can press on the buy button. But in case you see market breaking the level and going down, listen to me carefully. Before FOMC, if you see market breaking 1642 level and going down, try to avoid any sell position, because see, for a proper breakdown, we need good amount of volume, we need participation of the traders. And usually whenever a big news is lined up, okay, we do not get to see a proper or good breakout or breakdown. Okay, so just to save yourself from false breakouts are very much real. Just to save yourself from false breakouts, okay, try to avoid taking sell position below 1642 level. Okay, today is a news day, try to wait for the right opportunity. Okay. And in case we see a heavy fall during FOMC or after the FOMC event, okay, then I think 1630 to 28 should act as support. So after the FOMC, if you see that heavy fall in the market is going on, okay, then that's your personal choice, you buy, sell. Okay, I won't comment on that, but I think that 1630 to 28 has the potential, has the strength to provide support to the market. If market comes down and bounces, definitely you can go for a buy position. But yes, confirmation is the insurance of traders. So if market bounces, if you see the market is showing price rejection from below, then only take a buy position. In case you see the market has come down, but market has formed a red candle, okay, market support पे है red candle के साथ, obviously the support will not work. Okay, don't do that. Okay, so trade well. Okay, do not gamble. Bye bye, take care.